Hello everyone, this is my review of this desktop microphone stand. It comes with a metal rod that extends. It has a weighted base to it that you screw the rod in. It also has a filter or windscreen, also a universal mic clip, and you have your shock mount for the microphone as well. The microphone stand sits pretty sturdy because of its weighted base, so it won't move around on you, and you can adjust it in multiple ways and extending it and swiveling it around and adjusting the microphone in different angles that you need it. So this microphone stand is pretty good. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.